Hey guys, what's up? This is DHeaton5. Today I have a new thing to unbox. The Internet Keyboard Elite. Just cheap little $15 keyboard from Walmart. I'm gonna use it for my laptop here. I think what I'm gonna do, I have my setup as I got a half of an L set up here. Two speakers in the back there. But I think I'm gonna move my laptop to the back, put a keyboard in the front, and then keep my mouse in the front here because I need a bigger keyboard. And the laptop keyboard is nice, but I think I could use a bigger keyboard. So go ahead and we'll start the unboxing. We're gonna need a knife. Right. Got the 1998 Boy Scouts pocket knife. Gonna go ahead and slit through that tape there. Close that up. Little key loop got in the way. There we go. And now we are going to open that up. Flip it over. And then we are going to open that up like that. And then here's the inside. It's all nice, wrapped up in plastic. You notice has a USB port for it. In here, multimedia keyboard. That just installs the drivers for the keys on the top of there, which I just noticed that had those. See, I'll get out. So it looks like it has a mute. Cannot see those at all. I'm sorry for the video quality. Got a mute key, volume toggle, play pause, home screen, email, even a backlight key it looks like. So that's going to be pretty cool, especially because I do like to change the screen brightness on my computer every now and then. So I guess that's just the driver for that and the program for that. I'll install that later. Then we have the device itself. Give me a second here. Wrap this out of the plastic. It says the buttons are, this is like a rubberized feeling, which is really cool. Kind of gives a little bit more comfort. Got quiet type. Type in my phone number here. Let's see. Point it over here, but this is. It's actually not that bad. So but yeah, okay. Just a correction on the keys. I really wasn't paying attention. You have a volume mute. Yeah, let me get a light on. Got a volume mute, volume toggle, down and up, play pause, media center key, looks like, home page, email, a star, so I'm guessing that's for favorites, standby key, I reckon that's a standby key because it has a moon on it, and then it looks like a little calculator key. So all in all, I think it's going to be a pretty good keyboard. Small, it's nice. It almost has a chiclet style key on it, which is very convenient. I really do have played on those on some of the newer Macs and on some of the newer Sony Vaio laptops, and really seem to like those. So yeah, I'll make a review about how this keyboard is after I use it. So see you guys later.